Okay? Everybody that gets involved with this company should be eating our products, should be falling in love with our products, and should be using them for a lifetime.
We have one of the best tools in this company, which is BizWorks. You are going to need it 100% in India because your group is going to grow.
What a beautiful country!
Welcome to the meeting that can change your life. Welcome to you all.
Herbalife opportunity for you is the lost opportunity in your life.
Look at the room, unbelievable! And everyone that's involved right now, this is your business in the future. So you have this future with us.
The choices we make today determine the future that we have tomorrow.
Remember, 80%, the major chunk for getting result in terms of your fitness is your nutrition.
Have you had your shake today? I'm sure you all are very delighted to be a part of Herbalife yourself, just like me.
In India, we had last year about 200 loyalty program clubs, and now it's almost 1,000.
Scientific study, and where we are looking at replacing a meal with Herbalife protein.
How many champions you had in your downline?
I'm with Herbalife family from last 5 years.
I'm really proud myself being a Herbalife family.
Okay, go on with the journey of Herbalife, with changing people's lives.
That same dedication and commission and passion that brought you here today, it is those same skills that are going to help you build a successful Herbalife.